Hi guys, I am here with the balancing equation steps. Yay! So I have all of the steps written down for you, and we are going to go through them one by one and see how to balance an equation. So here's our equation. 12 plus blank equals 6 plus 10. And here on our steps paper, number 1 is make your stop line. Okay, so I am going to get my marker and draw my stop line. I do this so that I know I cannot add numbers on this side to the numbers on this side. A lot of you guys are doing 12 plus 6 plus 10 and putting that on the blank, and that is not how we balance an equation. We want to make sure that we keep this side on this side and keep this side over here. So after we do our first step, our next step is to draw our down arrows. They're not really arrows, but they just connect our two different numbers. These things, so they kind of look like an arrow, but it's not really. And then draw our other arrow. And inside these boxes should also be balanced. They should actually be the same number. Step 3, figure out which side you can complete and complete it. So we've talked about a lot in class how if there's a blank there, you can't complete it. You don't know what 12 plus blank is until you do this side. So we can do 6 plus 10. So now we're going to go ahead and complete the side that we can complete. So 6 plus 10, I know I have 1 10 and 6 ones, which is the same as 16. And again, if this side is 16, then that means the other side is also 16 because 16 is the same as 16. Now I have to figure out 12 plus what equals 16. And which brings us to our last step, which is use a strategy to find the missing number. So when I say a strategy, there's a few different ones you can use. We want to get to the point where we are doing this all in our brains and not using paper and pencil for this. But if you need to use paper and pencil for it right now, that's fine. So one thing that you could do is do tally marks. So we know that we need 16. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I made 16 tally marks because that is how many we want on that side. And we already have 12 of them, so I'm going to mark off 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to circle what I have left. So I marked off 12 over here, and then I circled what I have left, which is 4. So that would be my answer. Another way that I could do it is grab the big number, which you guys have seen me do in class a lot. Grab it and pound it. So 12, and then I can count up to 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and there's my answer of 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The way that I do it in my head is I just do 2 plus what equals 6. So I know that if I have 2, I need 4 more to get my 6 over here. And I already have my 10s placed, my 1 and my 10s placed. So, as we've just figured out, our answer here is 4, we think. And so now we are just going to double check our work. So I'm going to start with 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, which gave us our 16. Yay, balancing equations!